This is a video about the Klein Tools Slim Profile Mini Ratchet. Apparently, comedy is not a thing for me. Thank you to the person who suggested that I stop that. Little mini ratchet, what can I say? It's small, hear it. Does what a ratchet should do. Got a tiny little selector which may break, I don't know. It comes with 2 Phillips, 2 standard, flat, whatever you want to call it. Comes with a little tiny bit, put in there. You can drive your little sockets. If you need to get into a tight space, look at how small it is. You can get in there and ratchet it. Imagine, be an idiot. You can figure it out. If I can figure it out, anybody can. I'm a moron. Look, it's tiny. It looks like quality. Look at it. It says Klein on it, so you know it's expensive. It works. I mean, you can look at that. I don't need to go on any further for you to get the idea of how useful this can be. So you can get it or you can not get it. Don't really care. I think it's worth owning, so buy. Oh, one more thing. You don't have to just put these bits in it, dummy. You can get other bits. It's no problem. They just have to be the hex type. We'll insert it and use it. That's it. So long.